PrimePilot, a platform for building custom AI agents, RAG systems, and multi-agent orchestrations. Businesses want to use AI, but most tools don't serve real business needs, lack focus, or don't integrate with real systems. That's exactly the problem PrimePilot is built to solve. Today, companies want AI assistants that understand their documents, products, and workflows. But building that usually means custom development, complex infrastructure, or giving up control of your data. PrimePilot is a flexible AI platform that lets you build, deploy, and orchestrate AI agents, tailored to your business and your data. You can create RAG agents trained on your documents and websites, MCP agents that connect to external systems, and combine them into squads that work together, all with full control over models, data sources, and deployment. In PrimePilot, everything is built around three core concepts. Agents handle specific tasks using their associated knowledge bases to deliver accurate and reliable responses. Squads bring multiple agents together into intelligent workflows with advanced orchestration. These squads can be deployed in multiple ways, including chatbots, APIs, widgets, and fully hosted conversational interfaces. This makes PrimePilot suitable for customer support, internal knowledge systems, industry-specific co-pilots, and enterprise AI solutions. PrimePilot is designed for businesses, agencies, and enterprises that need reliable AI. On this channel, we'll show real demos, use cases, and how to build production-ready AI systems using PrimePilot. Let's get started.